Hi. Give me a smile like this. Hi, how are you? Get excited. Get excited. Yes, 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 yes. You guys are ready for another video. Please be ready. Please be ready. Okay, you guys are doing great. You are doing great. I appreciate your coming back. Now, we have another. We have Sea of Japan is the answer for last video's question is number 13. Number 13, I believe. Number 13 in the war, Sea of Japan, was obviously in Japan. Okay, and it is 391,100 miles. 391,100 miles. Okay, and it is number 13 in the world. It is number 13 in the world. In the size, how much water, how much sea in the size in it. Okay, so this is number 13 in the world, Sea of Japan. Okay, let's continue with our lesson today. Okay, it's a little bit has to do with square root, which is going to be our next set of videos subject. Okay, square root. But for now, we have this rule here. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible. Okay, okay. If we have a to the exponent 1 over m, okay, this is same as you're saying m, mth root of a. Okay, what's that mean? Well, let's start with the symbol root, which is square root. Okay, if we have 6 to the exponent 1 over 2, so this is exponent, right? 1 over 2. You can have any exponent, any number, right? Okay, even negative, okay, even 0, even 1, right? So exponent is uh, on the top of the number, okay, exponent. So 6 to raise to the power 1.5 or half, okay, equal, this is the same as this. And that's what they're saying here. 6 to the raised to power half equals square root of 6. And square root of 6, if you do the calculator or actually my book has a lot of square roots answers in the tables. Okay, so it's 2.45. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, let's explain a little bit about this. Yes. Okay, now this 2 here, so when you see square root, okay, when you see square root like this, okay, okay, this is symbol of square root. Okay, you can have 3 roots, third root and fourth root, 100th root, it depends. Okay, and we will talk about that. So this, when you don't have any number on the top of the square root here, okay, it's always 2, always 2. Okay, so when this 2 here is square root. Okay, and what if we have 6 to raise the power, and that's what I want to tell you, 6 to the raise to the power, what did I do? 6 to, okay, 6, okay, raised to power 1 over 3. Okay, so this is different. Now, what's that mean? Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Equal is what? It is not square root of 6. It's a third root of 6. Okay, third root of 6. So square root here. Let's do this. Copy, put it right here. Paste. Okay, and actually 3 supposed to be here. How is this? 3. Okay, so this 3 here means the third root of 6. Third root of 6, which means what is the number if you multiply it by itself 3 times will equal 6. So this means third root of 6, which means what is the number if you multiply it by itself equals 6. Okay, so let's see, like we said here, 2.45. Third root of 6 is whatever the number here, let's say it's x. Okay, so x times x times x equal what? Equal 6. And that's exactly what I want to tell you. That's exactly what I want to tell you. So this is the third root. So this here is a number, right? What is the third root of 6? What is the number if you multiply it by itself 3 times equals 6? Okay, and that's what I'm trying to tell you. Now, if we had 6 to the power 1/5, for example. Okay, what's that mean? We need a number equal over here the fifth. Let's do this here. Fifth square root of 6. Fifth root of 6. You follow me? Please follow me. Please follow me. So what is, which means what? What is the number? If you multiply it by itself, 5 times will equal 6. So x times x times x times x times x equals 6. Okay, and that is, what is the fifth root of 6? It's an x. What's x? X is a number. If you multiply it by itself 5 times, it will equal to 6. And that's what we mean. Okay, so that is the meaning of this rule here. Okay, here, it could be 2, it could be 10, it could be 6, it could be 5, it could be 3. Okay, so that is the rule here. A exponent 1 over m equal mth root, which I mean by mth, this means the fifth root, the third root, the second root, which means a number, if you multiply it by itself, how many times you have, times 2, or times, not times 2, times itself twice, or times itself 3 times, or times itself 5 times. That's what we mean by mth root. Mth root, okay? Okay, it is not square root, always generally mth root, okay? Mth actually should be mth root. Okay, okay, thank you so much, and we will see you next video. And actually this example is very nice introduction to the subject of a new set of videos about square roots and mth root and all of that. Thank you so much. I will see you next video.